Hey guys, it's us with a video of Bomberman Ultra again! Oh well.
Yeah! Fearsome and loathing fun for the whole family.
For this time.
The game is fixed!
I sure Scavenger. Yeah.
Everything is on! Poker?
Chips.
I don't understand. What is line bomb?
It kind of lines them all up. It's right behind you. You press square. Ooh, that's close.
I got a landmine. Which is... Oh.
Ooh, that's the fucking bomb.
See what I have to do to set it off? Oh, thank God.
Dang! That's pretty powerful.
What? Of course, that's why it's called the power bomb.
Controls.
Yeah, you...
Mine!
You're supposed to press the bomb button again. I think they blow up.
Oh no, oh. No! I was like, hey, oh, I died. Yeah. Camera's moving.
What?
That's because I'm like, putting my feet on the ground, moving the feet, the camera shit. Oh, it's trapped.
You died?
Yes.
Whoa, so many bombs! Eat my landmine, freak. Ha ha ha. No!
You like quick finish or no?
The blue one disappeared! Doing meow!
That's pretty bad.
Why am I getting so many bombs? Die. He's following me. Haha. No. Thank goodness. No! I am so foolish. Could blow up my landmine.
I have 4 wins.
Blue Bomber would have died anyway.
That's true.
He's stuck in a corner with a landmine right next to him. The only way to get out. Oh! I gotta watch where I put my bombs. Keep trapping myself. Mine! Oh! No! Oh! Haha! Run! I don't even know what that does. Oh, it's blue fire.
Well, it's different because you can't pick it up or kick it. So it'll set off.
Whoa! Oh!
Mine.
Oh!
I was right at the edge of it.
I have 1! I have 0!
Was it at 22 minutes when we started?
Yes. Oh, ah!
I just wanted to be sure.
No, no.
Oh man,
No! I suck at this game. Someone's gonna get that dangerous bomb. Just put it right in the middle of the map.
He's like, I submit to death.
Death is better. Die.
One wrong move and someone will die.
Should be lucky. So many bombs!
It's fantastic!
It could take forever.
There's like 4 seconds left. See, now the blocks are gonna start attacking us. What the heck?
I get more chances! Redemption!
That's all.
Redemption.
Oh.
No!
Bloody hell. Fabulous prizes. Die.
The one thing bad about being that fast is you can't calculate really good. I'm gonna run this. Yay! I swear to God.
No! Ah! Ah! It's almost like 10 minutes, but we have 15 minutes we do. Then when I do car up to 15 minutes, it takes forever up egg.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh. Die. Red is down.
No. Haha, but it's remote control, so I don't need to blow it up.
I thought it blew up after a while.
It might blow up after a while, but at least I'll buy myself some time. You suck. You suck so much. Oh! Whoa, whoa.
Wait, wait.
No!
Blasted! Spoiled again! I will get you, Blue Ballman! And you too, He-Man! It's like a dying parrot.
Yes, I got a dangerous bomb. Dang.
Oh.
Whoa.
Pick up the land. Oh.
Yes! Painful! The shame of defeat. Oh, wait.
Yeah, I have it at 4.
I forgot. Oh! Poker chips give me stuff.
Ha! He tried punching like 4 times, but he kept punching the dice block. So he failed. We're killing each other with bombs in Vegas!
Vegas! No! Oh. No!
Oh! You're lucky. You're lucky.
Haha!
You're very lucky.
No! Mine! Ah!
The heck? He like a when it pulls up. So I died. Oh, that does look nice. Oh!
I won! Once! At least once! Yes! Once.
Damn.
That's the only advantage of landmines.
Well, I could have ran farther away from it, but I thought it was a safe distance, so I stopped. But it wasn't. Ooh, I want that. I don't want power bomb. No!
What'd you do?
I died.
Ooh. Oh, horrible. He like froze right in front of it. I am so freaking slow. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, you're lucky, man.
Oh! I got a costume. Makes me happy.
Okay, guys, we'll have to put this into 2 parts. See you guys in the next part.